So today I'm going to be reacting to the new theme. So they have pretty clothes. So yeah. Hey. It's pretty stuff. So I'm gonna react to the clothes and see what it means. So to-do list. Nothing. That's me. I don't know. Google it. That one's not funny. Forever hungry. So that's funny. Okay, now. What is Labradorus? Oh, okay, kind of star NFT. Or is it? I saw this hair in one thing, but a different color. Okay, now, that's all that I'm going to react for this thing. Let's go to the more things. Now we are going to react to this thing, so right, that's cute actually, that's pretty. Except she don't wear it. That ain't her actual hair, but she wears. I mean, she has that. Okay. This dress. I like this dress. Wait. Yeah, there. I like that dress. It's really pretty. Oops. Pause. Did I do? Okay, now I'm gonna react to this thing. This was the theme before Rare Week. Or another one. Like, the one before this was the main. The one way before it. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is cute. Happy Father's Day and Happy Mother's Day. Okay, let's react to more stuff. These shoes are cute. That's cool. Like you can use that as something, I don't know. Let's stay in bed. It's funny. I heart mom and I heart dad. There's a lot of art costumes like this. Miss Philly socks. Miss Philly socks, oh my god. There's Miss Philly socks. Let's go to... Okay, now, I'm gonna be reacting to this. These shoes are pretty.